Hey, Todd Walters. Okay, before you run another ad, watch this. Okay, now you should have received the invitation for the Income Increase Workshop. All right, I'm going to show you right now, over the next 2 minutes, one of my favorite ads and something that we're going to work on at the Income Increase Workshop. See, one of the biggest problems that real estate agents have is they just don't run enough ads. Why don't they run more ads? Well, they really don't know what ads to run. So most real estate agents, tell me if I'm wrong, they're giving their money away to Zillow and other lead generation companies. Is that right? In other words, they're not marketing, they're abdicating marketing. But if you want to build a world-class real estate business, I mean, you want to make high six-figure, seven-figure income business, just say you want to add another $100,000 to your income, you got to run your own ads. Okay? So at the Income Increase Workshop, you're going to see the best of the best ads that I personally ran right here in Metro Atlanta to sell 500 homes a year. I'm going to show you one of them right now. Okay, now you should have the link for the Income Increase Workshop. Just make sure you get registered there. We're going to start this thing. Let's see, I've got my big television up here. We're going to start this thing at, it looks like 9 a.m. We're going to start at 9. We're going to go to 4 on March 5th. Okay, 9 o'clock to 4 p.m. on March 5th. Are you guys good for that? All right, let's go over here to our coaching site. Okay, here I am on our coaching site, and you can see I'm going to click that little tools button right there, and when I do, that's going to take me to the ad generator. Okay, now here we are in the ad generator. Okay, and what you're looking at are ads. So you can see I've got Facebook ads, Google ads, classified ads, editorial, postcards, business cards. I got all the best of the best ads. I'm going to scroll down. I'm just going to show you one ad, okay, and all the cool things that we can do to generate this ad. So here it is. It's called the Homes Under a Certain Price Range ad. Okay, now again, at the workshop on March 5th, I'm going to show you all of the best ads that work to generate overflow of leads. All right, so I just clicked on that ad. Okay, so let me scroll down. And this is the ad. We call it the Homes Under ad. And I'm going to customize this ad for you right now in front of you over the next 60 minutes. You're going to see how easy this is. But the point of the video is to get you motivated to show up so that you can see what the possibilities are of generating an overflow of business. Now, let's say you want to grow your business. Okay, if you want to grow your business, the only way to grow it is with an overflow. So at whatever point you don't have overflow, you can't grow it. All right, you got it? All right, so here we are. Let's say we want to run, for all intents and purposes, a Facebook ad. Okay, so I'm going to go with Facebook right now. All right, now, the first thing that you want to do is construct an ad. And again, we're going to use, this is our ad generator. It has over 70 ad templates in there. But even though this is one ad, I'm going to show you how I can make this one ad an infinite number of ads. Pretty slick. All right, so you can see here it says area homes under a price range. Okay, see that right there? All right, so I'm going to come up here and I'm going to say, okay, so what area do we want to sell houses in? Okay. Well, I'm standing right now in Buford, Georgia, so I'm just going to put in Buford, B-U-F-O-R-D. See that? Now what do we get? We get Buford homes under a certain price point. Okay, let's just go with the price. So what's hot in Buford right now? What's hot? Okay, well, anything under $400,000, hot. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put in $400,000. So I'm going to just do that and show you guys how that looks. 400. I'll just put 400K. All right, so check it out. Okay, see what I just did here? Buford homes under $400,000. Free list includes pictures, addresses, price of homes for sale. Click the image below now for the hot list. Then what I would do is I would come down here and see this image. I would drop in an image of a killer looking home that's under $400,000, representative of a good value. I wouldn't put in a $300,000 house. I'm going to put in probably a home that is right around $400,000, but looks like it's worth a lot more. And I'm going to show you this at the Income Increase Workshop. But let's don't stop there. See where it says Buford homes under $400,000? Check this out. I'm going to come back up here, and let's say that what's really hot are brick homes. So I'll just type in the word brick. Okay. and check it out. Okay. Boom. Buford Brick Homes under 400,000. You see that? Buford Brick Homes. Now, what else could I do there? I could go Craftsman style homes. I go Buford 4-bedroom homes under 400,000. Now, I can get even better than that. See where it says 400,000? Let's go with 3-car garage. And let's see what that looks like. Okay. All right, so let's click there. Buford Brick Homes under $400,000 with the 3-car garage. You can see that. See what I just did there? I took one simple little ad and now I've jacked it up on steroids. And that's before I could copy and paste this, put it in a Facebook Marketplace. I can run it on Craigslist. I can post it all over my social media. All right, so how many ads now can I be pumping out with the tool like this? Okay, so again, I'm going to show you the best of the best of the best ads to generate an overflow of business, because without an overflow of business, like we can't grow a business. All right, so here's what you do. Get to the website, get registered for the Income Increase Workshop, okay? And make sure you guys are there and be ready for a big day. If you have any questions, just reach out to my team, but it's my pleasure to show up and help you generate an overflow of business so you can grow yours. All right, you guys ready? Hey, we're again 9 o'clock to 4 o'clock, and there's a lot more than just lead generation. That would be the first part of the day, generating an overflow of leads so we can grow our business. So much so that you're tripping over commission checks. That's your choice. You can become a direct response marketing expert, or you can give your money to Zillow and other lead generation companies, and they'll send you leads, but you're going to be the last person to get the leads. And when they change the rules, which you know they do, boom, you're going to get hurt. So yes, you got to get self-sufficient on marketing and lead generation using direct response marketing in order to really grow this business. All right, so I'm looking for, bring your A game, all right, and a notepad. That's all you're going to need. Are you ready? All right, thanks again. Go serve big.